Introducing the Navigator series from Pit Boss, an ultimate grilling experience for the modern handyman. Ergonomically designed to provide less strain and more usability. The Navigator Series 150 wood pellet grill gets grilling done right, on the go. With a lightweight design and latching hood, this grill provides robust versatility in an innovative compact package. The Navigator Series pellet grill delivers unique features like a modular front-to-bottom folding shelf for optional shelf placement, reinforced support legs with an ergonomic raised height, perfect for that powerful grilling stance, integrated upper cooking rack storage so the rack is always there when you need it, and a sleek onyx black design, sure to be the center of attention at any barbecue cookout. With incredible 8-in-1 cooking versatility and the robust flavor of 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel, the Pit Boss Navigator Series allows you to smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char grill, and of course sear. Our patented external flame broiler lever allows complete control of direct heat up to 535 degrees Celsius, heavy-duty construction, porcelain-coated cast iron grates, rear vent dampers, temperature range between 85 and 260 degrees Celsius, digital control board with meat probes, hopper sight glass and increased hopper capacity. And the first series to bring countertop height to your own backyard means you'll have all the tools necessary to navigate through any cook. Coming in 4 sizes, 150, 550, 850, and 1150. This line offers a range of available cooking space for a variety of needs. The 1230 combination grill offers dual fuel technology. Harness the flavor of wood pellets and the convenience of gas with the added 3-burner gas grill on one side and the wood pellet smoker on the other. The damper lever feeds smoke from the pellet side into the gas side, perfect for cold smoking. Each unit in the Navigator series has an optional custom-fitted cover available to protect against the elements and proudly offers a best-in-class 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Achieve wood-fired excellence with the Pit Boss Navigator series.